Well, good morning, guys. I am making myself some stuffed peppers to have for this low FODMAP diet that they have me doing. And I thought I'd bring you guys along so you can see how I'm using some of my canned meat. I don't know, fat and all, fat, juices, everything. I'm putting it in there. Okay. Come on, in we go. Oh, I didn't grab my onions. I gotta go grab my onions. Okay, so I've got 1 pint of ground beef. I may end up by grabbing another one. I don't know just yet. I need some green onions. Just the tops of the green onions, so just literally the green onion part. Stick some of that in there. I am going to add in some basmati rice. Yes, I don't measure. I just kind of eyeball it. That's probably about 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup, somewhere in there of rice. That combo looks perfect. And now I'm going to pour in some sauce. This is just a can of, or a jar of crushed tomatoes with some smoked paprika, salt, a little bit of chipotle chili pepper, basil, and oregano. Nice and simple, very flavorful though. Okay, now I got that pretty. Yeah, that should be good. And I have these little disposable pans with me because this is kind of what I've been making my meals in because I'm the only one eating this. I'm not forcing everybody else to eat this. So I'm just going to scoop this in. Some of my filling's falling out, but that's okay. I'm going to pour over a little bit more of the sauce because I really like them saucy. And then I'll bake these for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour at 350, just to make sure that rice is cooked and the peppers get all cooked, because I don't blanch my peppers or anything. I want all of that flavor in this dish. So there's one. This one I'm going to just pop in the freezer. I have some more I'm going to make. But I figured I would show you guys some of the things I'm eating while I'm doing this. So there we go. There is the stuffed peppers I'm going to be eating. I'll have this with a side of rice because I like extra rice with my stuffed peppers. And I have no idea what vegetable I'll have with it. It'll be whichever one I kind of see fit that day. So I hope you guys enjoy. And this is a nice, easy way to make something. And super easy when you got canned meat. So there's one way I use some of my canned stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.